Okay, hey, nandito kami sa Boulder, Colorado. First time namin lahat. May event kami, may wedding kami this Sunday. Kahapon, nag-shoot kami na yung engagement. Lamig. Ngayon, babanat kami, titingnan namin kung anong landscape dito sa Boulder. Sa Flagstaff, El Dorado, madami. So, we'll see. So we're ready, man. We're ready.
Cheers.
We got orange juice coffee and we're ready to drive. All right. Let's see what's up there. Here, welcome to El Dorado Canyon State Park.
Para stop. Kaya makunan to sign.
Wow. Good morning. Question before I go. Can we, after this, can we go straight to the gross, what you call that? The reservoir?
So the road just dead ends a mile up the road here by our visitor center and picnic area. So if you want to get up to Gross Reservoir, you actually have to drive out.
Oh, drive out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So how long is this trail here?
The road itself is about a mile.
About a mile?
Yeah, and then we have several hiking trails in the park as well.
Okay. So about a mile, and then we can park anywhere, or this is just a parking spot?
Anywhere where there's an open parking spot.
Oh, okay. All right. Let me $10, right?
$10. Yep.
Oh, look at this. Nice. Yan. Ganyan talaga. Alam mo, ganyan talaga pag ano pag orange day ka dito. Pag mga taga-Illinois pumunta sa ganitong itsura dahil alam mo na, wala dito sa atin. Okay. Baka kami. Medyo warm na dito pero may frost pa rin. So it's a little icy here. It's a beautiful landscape. It's just amazing landscape. Look at that. It's like what do you call that? Like Yosemite. This one like Yosemite, as you can see. Itong creek. Ang gandang pasok ng tubig. Ito, ang ganda dito. Ganda ng view na to. Oh, ganda ng view. Ganda ng view rito. I'll take some photos. Kasi may pine tree dun eh. Parang Ruel, nag-360. Ano masasabi mo so far?
Ganda para, overwhelming.
Oo nga, parang ko. Para maubusan kami ng shot. Pero ang ganda. Ang ganda ng forma mo dyan May wood.
Parang
Bababa. Makababa doon. Tingnan natin kung ano pang magandang view. Ito, ang ganda rin dito So, ang ganda nito kung may snow. Pero bukas mag-snow. Baka bumalik kami dito Monday. May snow daw So, yeah. I'm sure. Dito, maganda yung frame to So, we'll see if we can frame it here. Dito. Okay, lagay. Ito, maganda ring framing to kunan din to. Yan, kumukuha pa ng mga B-roll. Roll. So, kukuha namin ng leaves running over water. Tingnan natin. Can't wait to see the result. Ayos. Ayos ba result? Ayos. Yun. O sige. Next location tayo. Mag-CR tayo. Merong washroom nun. Sobrang na-overwhelm kami. Naihi.
Baka kayo ng video dun sa naglalakad sa tulay
Tapos sa... kami dalawa.
Habang nalakad, kunyari.
Tapos kung pwede natin akitin doon, tingnan natin kung ano itsura. So temperature right now, siguro mga 30 degrees na. Kasi medyo okay na yung aking kamay. Look at that. All mountain climbers. So there's mountain climbers over there, another one here. This is probably the basic climbing. I would not do that. There's so many photos to do. Like El Capitan to, parang El Capitan sa Yosemite. Sabi ni Bam Brown, nako, mas maganda pa raw to kaysa sa Yosemite. Ito, gandang panoramic dito. Ganda ng view. Akyatin ko kaya yun, mountain climbers ayos.
Careful bangin yan. Muntik na sabihin, mugto ka din.
Oh, you can go up there. Oh, look at that.
Wow, yan.
Oh, yan, mga climbers, oh. Tataas, oh, look at that. Ang taas, oh, meron pa pala dun, oh.
Wala natin.
Holy cow.
Yan ang kulang mo, bossing, para pandagdag. Talagang part ng Colorado, Boulder.
Wow, I'm not. Shit, I don't have a guts to do that
Ayan,
shit.
oh.
No way, mga puti lang gagawa ng ganyan. Hindi makakita ng Pinoy dyan. Hindi, mahirap magpag-dito. Dami. Daming pa. So, siguro popular for mountain climbers to. Nakita doon kanina, di ba dami? Yeah, you see? Dami niyang mga gamit, oh. So maybe a good, and for hiking too. Ito ang gandang landscape. Awesome landscape here. Ito maganda rin photos dito, ah. Okay, we'll go to the next location where we can find a better, another awesome spot for B-roll and photography. Okay, we move on.